Today I am going to start a new lesson, arithmetic progression. Before we discuss the arithmetic progression, first we know that what is a sequence. Sequence means arrangement. Sequence means arrangement. The numbers are according to some rules. In the rules may be a difference or ratio are called the sequence. What is that? The numbers are arranged according to some rules are called a sequence. In the arrangement may be a difference or ratio. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to here. The every number difference is 2. For example, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6, 10 minus 8. The difference is 2. You take another example, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 up to. Here, 8 divided by 4, 16 divided by 8, 32 divided by 16, 64 divided by 32, 128 divided by 64 should be equals to 2. 4 2s are, 8 2s are, 16 2s are, like that. What we called sequence. There are two types of sequence. What are those? Finite sequence and infinite sequence. In a sequence, this is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third, fourth, fifth. In a sequence, the first term are denoted by A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, like that. The first term is denoted by A1, second term is denoted by A2, third term is denoted by A3. Similarly, the 10th term is denoted by A10 and the nth term are denoted by AN. So according to that, 2 is the first term, 4 is the second term, 6 is the third term, 4th term, 5th term. There are infinite terms. Infinite terms are there. You know well, in a sequence there are two types. One is finite sequence, another one is infinite sequence. What is finite sequence? In a sequence, there are finite number of terms or counting number of terms are there. Then the sequence are said to be a finite sequence. In a sequence, there are infinite number of terms are there. Then the sequence are said to be an infinite sequence. For example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are finite sequence because of definitely we count how many number of terms are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms are there. Therefore, it is a finite sequence. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 up to. We don't know how many number of terms are there in the sequence. Therefore, it is an infinite sequence. The sequence which can be expressed in the form of, or the numbers which can be expressed in the form of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 are called series. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 up to are called series. In series also there are two types. One is finite sequence, another one is infinite sequence. In a sequence, there are finite number of terms are there. Then the series are said to be an finite series. Otherwise, it is an infinite series. For example, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 plus 20. Here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Therefore, it is a finite series. 6, 11, 16, 21 plus up to are called infinite sequence are called infinite sequence. You know well what is a sequence? Sequence is the numbers are arranged according to some rules are called the sequence. There are two types of sequence are there. One is finite sequence, another one is infinite sequence. In a sequence, the first term are denoted by A1, second term are denoted by A2, third term are denoted by A3 and so on. Similarly, the nth term are denoted by An. In a sequence, finite number of terms are there, then the sequence are said to be an finite sequence, otherwise it is an infinite sequence. The number which can be expressed in the form of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 up to are called series. There are two types of series, namely finite series and infinite series. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms are always a constant. This constant are known as common difference. That is, D is equal to second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term equals to an minus 1 minus an minus 1 minus an minus 1 is the previous term of an. So arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms are always a constant. This constant are known as common difference. That is, D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3 and so on. And the arithmetic progression are in the form of, or the standard form of the arithmetic progression are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is denoted by A, second term is A plus B, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, A plus 4D is the fifth term and so on. It means that add common difference for any term. Common difference plus second term, we get the third term. Third term plus common difference, we get the fourth term. Fourth term plus common difference, we get fifth term. Add common difference for any term, we get the succeeding term. Similarly, subtract common difference, we get the succeeding term or previous term. Therefore, the previous term of A is A minus D and its previous term is A minus 2D, and A minus 2D previous term is A minus 3D and so on. It means that in an arithmetic progression, add common difference for any term, getting succeeding term minus common difference, we get the succeeding term. And the ideal form of the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D and so on. You know, the first term is A plus 1 minus 1 into D. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 0 into D is 0 itself. 0 plus A is A. That is the first term. A to or second term. Second term is A plus D. You know well. The second term is A plus D. The first term you know A1. A plus 2 minus 1 into D. A plus D. Just you see the sequence, arrangement you see. A3, A plus 3 minus 1 into D. What we get? A plus 2D. A4, A plus 4 minus 1 into D. We get A plus 3D. So, which term we take? Here, that minus 1. Here we take 2 minus 1. Here we take A3, 3 minus 1. Take 4, 4 minus 1. A5, 5 minus 1. 6, 6 minus 1. The pattern are in the form of A is equal to A plus of. Here 4 is there, 4 minus 1. 3 is there, 3 minus 1. 2 is there, 2 minus 1. 1 is there, 1 minus 1. Similarly, n is there, n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. This is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is a, the number of terms is n, and the common difference is there. Then its nth term is a plus of n minus 1 into d. You have to remember, according to the arithmetic progression, the first term is a, second term is a plus b. What term we taken here, that minus 1. Second term you take 2 minus 1. Third term is there, 3 minus 1. Fourth term is there, 4 minus 1. Fifth term is there, a plus 5 minus 1 into d. Similarly, nth term is there. What we are going to write? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. You take one of the example of arithmetic progression. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. This is the example, one of the example of the arithmetic progression. Now, add each term by some constant. Add some constant to each term. I am going to add 4. I am going to add 2 for every term. 16 plus 2, 20 plus 2. This is 22. This is 18. This is 14. This is 10. This is 6. The resulting term are also in arithmetic progression. 10 minus 6, 4. 14 minus 10, 4. 18 minus 14, 4. 22 minus 18 is also 4. It means that any one of the arithmetic progression is there. We add the constant term for each term. The resulting terms are also in arithmetic progression. You subtract some constant for the given arithmetic progression. 4, you subtract 2, 8 minus 2, 12 minus 2, 16 minus 2, 20 minus 2. 2, 6, 10, 16 minus 2, 14, 20 minus 2 is 18. Look here, the resulting terms are also in arithmetic progression. 6 minus 2, 4, 10 minus 6, 4, 14 minus 10, 4, 18 minus 4 is also 18 minus 14 is also 4. It means that we subtract the constant value for each term of the given arithmetic progression. The resulting terms are also in arithmetic progression. Now you multiply each term by some constant. The resulting terms are also in arithmetic progression. Multiply by 2. This one, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 12 2s are 24, 16 2s are 32, 20 2s are 40. 16 minus 8, 24 minus 16, 32 minus 24, 40 minus 32, 8. So the resulting terms are also in arithmetic progression. You divide some constant by the given sequence and divided by some constant. The resulting terms are also in arithmetic progression. 4 is there, divided by 2, 2, 8 divided by 2, 4, 12 divided by 2, 6, 16 divided by 2, 8, 20 divided by 2, 10. 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. So it means that the given sequence are in arithmetic progression. We multiply, divide, add or subtracted by some constant. The resulting terms are also in arithmetic progression. After that, already I told A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D are the general form of the arithmetic progression, and A minus D is the previous term of this. Means A minus 2D. If three terms are in AP, for convenient, always you take the terms are A minus D, A plus D. You have to remember this one. Three terms are in arithmetic progression whose sum and product are given in the problem. Always you select the numbers are A minus D, A plus D. For example, 20, 24, 28 is there. You don't know what is the previous term of 20. It is correct or wrong. I am going to check it out. Now, A is the first term. Its value is 20. Common difference is 24 minus 20. It should be equals to 4. Here, A minus D I am going to write. What is A? 20 minus 4. What is the value? 16. Definitely 16. 20 previous term is 16. Okay. Look here. Sn means sum. Sum is first term. Second.
Resume.
Sum of the nth term of an arithmetic progression is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus up to An, and its previous term is An minus 1. An minus 1. Sn is equal to first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, A plus 3D, plus up to the last term is L. Nth term is the last term. Last term previous term is L minus D. Its previous term is L minus 2D. Its previous term is L minus 3D and so on. Call it as equation number 1. I am going to write properly. Plus L minus 3D plus L minus 2D, L minus D, L. What is L? Last term. What is L minus D? Last term, previous term. Its previous L minus 2D. Its previous L minus 3D and so on. Call it as equation number 1. Rewrite the above equation in reverse order. The first equation is there, you know. You must write in the reverse order. Reverse means you have to write in this direction. Sn is equal to L minus D, L minus 2D, L minus 3D plus up to A. Call as equation number 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Sn plus Sn2 Sn minus D plus D minus 2D plus 2D minus 3D, everything get cancelled. Everything get cancelled. L, how many L's? How many L's? N number of L's is there left out. How many A's are remaining? N number of A's. If we cancel like this, here is also some terms are there. A, its previous A minus D, its previous A minus 2D. Here there, A. What is the previous term of A? A minus D. What is its previous? A minus 2D. And so on is there. A, its previous is what? A minus D. Plus D minus D get cancelled like that. Or here, definitely cancelled. There are n number of L's are left out and n number of A's are left out. Taking n common factor, A plus L. A plus L. This is one of the formula to calculate the sum. Where we are going to use this formula, I will write it here. N is number of terms are there. Number of terms are given. A, first term are given. First term is there. And L is last term. Last term are there. This is the formula to calculate the sum. And we know well L is the last term an, and we know that an is a plus of n minus 1 into b. The last term or nth term of an arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute where there is L in this equation. N of a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2. So n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference. N minus 1 into common difference. This is the another formula to calculate the sum. This formula is suitable when first term is given, number of terms is there, and common difference is there. Definitely this formula we use in that particular case. Here the last term is there, first term is there, number of terms is there. After that, if A, B are in A, small letter A, capital letter A, comma B are in AB, are in AB. What is an AP? Second term minus first term, third term minus the second term. A, bring minus A to this side, it becomes plus A. Minus A goes there, plus A. A plus A is 2A, A plus B. A equals to A plus B divided by 2. What is this A? A is the arithmetic mean between A and B. A and B. Arithmetic mean. A is the arithmetic mean between A and B. Only 3 terms are there. For example, 2 comma x comma 6 are in AB. Find x. How are you going to calculate x? X is equal to A plus B by 2 is the formula. What is x? X is the arithmetic mean between 2 and 6. A value 2, B value 6. 8 divided by 2 should be equals to 4. Should be equals to 4. Therefore, A is the arithmetic mean between A and B. A and B. Now I am going to discuss the summary about arithmetic progression. You know well, sequence. The numbers are arranged according to some rules are called the sequence. There are 2 types of sequence. One is finite sequence, another one is infinite sequence. In a sequence, there are finite number of terms are there, then the sequence are said to be a finite sequence. In a sequence, there are infinite number of terms are there, then the sequence are said to be an infinite sequence. In a sequence, the first term are denoted by A1, second term are denoted by A2, third term are denoted by A3 and so on. Similarly, the nth term are denoted by AN. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus up to AN are called the series. For example, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus up to are called the series. There are 2 types of series. One is finite series, another one is infinite series. In a series, there are finite number of terms are there, then in a series are called finite series, otherwise it is an infinite series. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between any 2 consecutive terms are always a constant. This constant are known as common difference. Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 equals to A4 minus A3 equals to AN minus 1 minus AN. It means that last term minus previous term. Arithmetic progression standard form is, or the ideal form of the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. add common difference for any term in an arithmetic progression, we are getting the succeeding term. Subtract common difference, getting the previous term. Therefore, a minus d is the previous term of a. A minus 2d is the previous term of a minus d, and so on. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference. Similarly, to calculate the nth term of an arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus l. L is the last term, n is the number of terms, n is the number of terms, a is the first term. And one more formula is there to calculate the sum of the nth term of NAP, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Capital letter A is equal to a plus b by 2. Then a is the arithmetic mean between a and b. It is very important. You have to remember this formula. A is equal to a plus b by 2. Here a is the arithmetic mean between a and b. This is all the summary of your arithmetic progression. In the next video, I am going to discuss the exercise problem. Start with 5.1.